So one of my favorite animals is one you often see just like this. So let's check out some info on one of Africa's largest and most deadliest animals, the hippo.
Now the name hippopotamus comes from Greek words, hippos meaning horse and potamus meaning river. The interesting thing is they're actually more closely related to whales. You can kind of see them looking like whales here when they come up from that water and go pfft. Hippos have no sweat glands, so they have to pass this hot day by hanging out in social groups in the water. Now they can easily stay submerged for like 4 to 6 minutes. This footage here is the first time I ever saw a wild pod of hippos. There's over 60 hippos in this pod. Their vocalizations were like a cross between Jabba the Hutt and Chewbacca. Now this old bull was out of the water during a very hot part of the morning. He most likely was kicked out of a group and searching for some other water hole to lay down in. It really allowed me a chance to see the whole body of the hippo and appreciate its massive size. A hippopotamus is a huge animal. An adult can easily be 12 feet long and over 5 feet tall. It could weigh 2 to 3 tons, and some older bulls can even weigh more than that. A hippo can live to be 50, so just imagine all the wildlife activity this old guy has seen. Now, mama hippo is a very protective animal. The little calves, which can be around 50 pounds or so, have to stay very close to her because of other male hippos as well as those nasty crocs that live amongst them. Now, the importance of a hippo can be seen here. At night, we know they graze on the plains. In the morning, they come back to the water, and their poop has a lot of seeds in it, and that'll make these green water plants that you see here. And we all know hippos are well known for being very aggressive. It is often thought hippos kill more people than any other large animal in Africa. Now, they're usually found to be more aggressive in water, and is often seen by researchers how calm they are to one another out of the water on land. I was hoping that the time to graze wouldn't come soon, as I wanted to get a few pictures of them, and if they came out, I wouldn't have a chance, as they can easily outrun me on land. We're always trying to learn more about our wildlife that we share this planet with. And what they're trying to learn about hippos is first, where they're all located. And we know historically they had a large range. They used to go as far north as Egypt. Obviously that's been cut short. They only seem to live in about the lower 2/3 of Africa, close to the rivers. They also want to look at how far away from the rivers these animals will roam. They estimate the current hippo population to be about 125,000 to 150,000 left. Now, the large threat to hippo population is the obvious habitat loss and also illegally poaching, and in some areas of Africa they can be legally hunted by trophy hunters. Now, after they're killed, their meat is used, and it's also legal to sell their ivory teeth. And in a controversial move, some countries will organize a cull, which means a massive killing of these animals to help control their populations. I would think, unfortunately, the main reason that people want to control these populations is the thought that when they come out of this water, they're always killing crops, which as the human populations grow in these areas, they're obviously going to become way more dependent on more land to grow crops for their food. Now, the only kind of shot I want to take at this hippo is one with my camera. That way, this old boy can be here for years and years for others to come and see him. Now, hippos are just one of the amazing animals that Africa brings to us, and they need our protection. Please read the description of this video for more info and ways you can help. And thanks for watching.